Khan Academy Kids.
Hey kids.
What?
Não é pra dar beijo não, cara. Say hello everybody.
Hello, everybody.
Yummy! Spaghetti and sauce go great together. Letters can go great together too. They can team up to make a new sound. The letters A, U team up to make the ah sound, like in the word sauce. Ah, sauce. The letters A, W make the ah sound too, like in the word straw. Ah, straw. Oops, straw is in the sauce. That's better. Spell the word hawk.
Okay.
Ah.
Is it that? Is it a correct one? Tell it to everybody. Say yes.
Let's see.
Say yes.
Let's see, Lucas. Just press it.
You spelled hawk. A and W make the ah sound. Match the pictures and the words.
I'm doing this one.
Saw.
Okay. This one socks.
Match the pictures and the words.
Saw.
Sock. This one sock.
Straw.
Straw. This one is sock. There's straw. Look, it's a big. This is the big time signs. There's a time, then we got to math.
Yawn.
Yawning. Oh, there's a star.
Crawl.
Okay. There's a Mr. Star, baby.
Yay! Let's do a word search. Find the words with the ah sound.
My dad. My dad is doing everything.
This word here. Saw.
Saw,
My dad.
law, draw, thaw.
My dad's got to. Put your finger. My dad's got to do all them, and I. My dad's got to do.
Saw.
Guys, my
Law.
dad do all this one. I do the rest.
Draw.
There's an arrow pointing to him right there.
Good job!
There's a man.
Which words have the ah sound? In the sentence, the fawn was on the lawn at dawn.
That H. This one. H is W.
Lawn, dawn,
W.
fawn.
One more. There's one more, guys.
No.
Press.
Good thinking!
That's
Complete the sentence with the word that has the ah sound. Destiny was chilly, so she put on her
That. Open your eyeballs.
Complete the sentence with the word that has the parka. Coat, shawl, coat, coat.
No.
What did she say? What is the question?
Destiny. Was, destiny, was. Yummy.
So if you pay attention when she asked, what's the sound we are working on right now?
This one.
Ah. So if you-
Shawl.
If you listen to what she asked for, you know.
But I don't know what this word is.
Okay.
Did you?
Good work.
Okay, Dad.
Which words have the ah sound?
Pay attention what she's asking.
Punishment
Ah,
time.
sound.
Punishment time. That's your
What
punishment.
words? Phone.
Which words have the ah sound?
Long.
Phone. That's phone.
Hawk.
This is gas. And this is quacks.
Great. Which words have the ah sound?
Your turn.
Sound. Is scab. Phone.
Which words?
It's your turn, Dad.
Great job. Spell the word pause.
Oz. This one I was going to go, but you're not working on this one.
Spell the word pause. Ah. A O. A. Ah. Ah. You spelled ah. Pause. A and U make the ah sound. Match the pictures and the words.
Sauce, launch, and auto.
My dad's got to these three and then we're done for the video.
Sauce
Match the pictures and the words.
and auto.
But we're done for the video.
Awesome!
Alright guys, take care of the
Find the words with the ah sound.
See you later.
See you later next video.
Subscribe.
Bye bye.